Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to BIM Parametrics and I am Mohammed Shahrukh. And in today's video or tutorial of Revit, we are going to see how we can create a Toposolid in Revit 2025 using a CAD file. Okay, so it's a very short tutorial and a very easy tutorial. So let's see how it can be done. So first of all, let me start with a new project. And I'm going to take a default metric template. Okay, so our units will be in meters. Let's click OK. And now this is going to be my project. Okay, this is our main screen. Now let me go to the site. Alright, so here I have my elevation points and here I have my project base point and the survey point visible. Now the next step is, since this tutorial is focusing on how to create the Toposolid using the CAD file. Okay, so first of all, let's see from where we can access this option. So the first step is we go to massing and site in the ribbon bar. Okay, and then now here you will see the option for Toposolid. Now before 2024, I guess if I'm correct, from like the versions till 2023 is having only a topo surface. There is no Toposolid present. So from 2024 onwards, or the Revit version includes Toposolid. Okay. Now the next step will be if I click down in the drop down, and here you will see two options. One is create from sketch and another one is create from import. So when I go and click on create from import, it asks me to create from CAD. Okay, so the moment, and then create from CSV. Now from CSV means the XYZ coordinates. So for this option I have already created the video long back. Okay, and I will put the video's description and the link in the description box. So what you can do, let's focus now on create from CAD option. So now the moment I click on create from CAD, you see it asks you that there are no input elements in your document. So our step will be the we need to first bring the CAD file, okay, which using which we want to create the Toposolid. So let's see where is that CAD file. Now if I go down, let me go to my desktop, and I have a folder called Topography. When I click on this folder, I have a folder called CAD. So let me open this, and there is a drawing file. I have it, that is terrain.dwg. So let's double click and open this in AutoCAD. So let me click on continue open drawing file, and here if you see, this is the CAD drawing of a of a terrain. Okay, so there is already this contours are present, you see. So and it's already present in 3D, and also it is georeferenced. So what I mean by georeferencing is that these points contains the actual coordinates of the location, that is the XYZ. So how we can check it? Let me go to ID. I will type ID. Okay, and then press enter, and let's try to select any one of the point. You see it is showing, like for example, if I click anywhere, and let me go here, and here you see it is showing you like 447.210.8676. okay, which is the easting, and y is equal to let me go back again, that is 2887561, that is the northing. Okay, so this coordinates is approximately located, or not approximately, it is located in Bahrain. So so we have this CAD file already present with us, which is already georeferenced. Now using this CAD file or the topography file, okay, we want to create our 3D or the Toposolid. So how we can do that? Let's close this, and let me close the CAD file, and let's go back to Revit. Now here our first step will be to go to insert and link the CAD file. Okay, so we are not going to import, by the way, we have to always link it. So we go to link CAD, and then let me go to desktop, and where is it present? So it is under topography CAD, and then terrain.dwg. So what I will do, I will put a link in the description of this video, so from where you can download the terrain.dwg file. So let me select this, and then units will be, now I haven't shown you the units. Actually the units are in meters. Okay, so it should be in the same unit as of your project. So we can make it either auto detect, or you can make it meters. So I know already it is in meters, so I'm going to use the auto detect option. And the positioning, what I can do, I can use it by shared coordinates, and then click open. So let me close the file. Okay, now you can see the coordinates, the drawing file is already present here. And if I want to check my coordinates here, let me go to modify and or maybe annotate. Let's see the spot it's okay, spot coordinate is not working. So the next what I can do, I can use a model line anywhere here, for example, and let's go to annotate and then spot coordinate. Now you see what is happening. This is not showing you the correct value. The reason being, even though the CAD file is properly georeferenced, okay, but when you bring it to the Revit, okay, it doesn't come with the proper coordinates. So the next step will be you have to georeference this file. How do we do that? We select it and then we go to the shared site option. Here we go to not shared and then click on acquire the shared coordinate system from terrain.dwg. So what this option will do, it will automatically acquire the coordinate system of the CAD file into the Revit. So let me reconcile it. Now let me go back. Okay, I just deleted the detail line. Okay, so let me go and check it again. I'll go to annotate, spot coordinate, and now you see these values are coming properly. It's coming in millimeter, but you know already you can change it to meters by going to units command. Okay, so I'll keep it as it is. Now the next step, okay, if you want, you can shift your survey point to towards the base point. The best practice is the survey point should be always in the vicinity of the project base point. So I can select this. Let's unclip this, and then we can select and move it and zoom it. So okay, it's somewhere here. Either you can put it to coincide with the project base point, or you can leave it as it is, and I just clip it. Now our CAD file is already in Revit. Let me go to 3D view. So this is your CAD file which is present here. Let me hide the levels from visibility graphics. These steps you already know, so I'm not repeating it. Okay, so the next step is now since our CAD file is here, now we need to use this CAD file to create the Toposolid. So let's go to Mass Again site, then go to Toposolid, and then click on create from import. Next we go to create from CAD. So click on create from CAD and then select the link. So the moment I select this, you see it will ask you to select the layers, okay, using which you want to create the Toposolid. So I know all the contours are present in this topo layer of the CAD file. So I'll uncheck the rest of the two layers here. So select only the topo. I can check mark here and then click OK and just wait for a while. And now voila, okay, see your now topo surface is properly created using the CAD file. So let me go to shaded. Now you see it is very beautifully it created the terrain of that specific region. So this is the advantage of having already a CAD file of a terrain area, okay, and using the Toposolid option, you can very easily create the actual terrain location of the site. So I hope you like the video. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you very much.